already done my eyebrows to save time because like I said before, I do struggle with my eyebrows. So this video long, like I said, I already did my eyebrows. So now I'm going to on my face, and this is the Hydra blood drop, and this here I got from TJ Maxx, and I hauled it in one of my TJ Maxx hauls, and this here was $6.99, and it comes in this like mint green packaging. It's like I said, it has a pump. I'm going to apply that here all over my face. Looking this way is because my mirror is right here. Today is about to say January. It's July 21st, and we are on our way to go see the Lion King. So this makeup look is kind of inspired by my shirt that I have, because like I said, we are on our way to the movies, and I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this one here is the Armed and Gorgeous. Why I chose this palette, because like I said, we are going to see Lion King, and my shirt have these type of colors. I said this here is not my typical color scheme, it to kind of match my shirt, kind of my brushes, but in between brush washing I'll use my Sephora swatch thing. So apply my tape on my eyes. Our look really will speed through all of this because I'm going to take too much time. So show things that I'm using for the first time, because I do have a new product that I will be using. So when I finish my eye look, I will turn the camera back on so I can save time, so this video won't be super long. Okay, so I almost completed my eyes. Color coin here. Mixed it with this right here. Mix those two together to create this look here. And I'm just applying Classified on top just to mute it just a little bit. I did tone it down a little bit, so now I'm gonna go back in with Top Secret, which is this color here. Use my MAC mascara. These here are the things that I always use. Plop my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the liner is done, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my orange concealer. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my eye, the top of my eye. Here I have this new foundation. It's by Tom Ford. I did get this at the cosmetic company store. I think that's the name. I didn't pay full price. The price for this I think was $88. I paid $37 with tax. Color Warm Almond in the number 9.5. For this today when I vlogged when I was at the pool party, so I did use this, and I used it that day because it do have the SPF 15 in it, protect my skin, and to use this again today because like I said, it is hot here in Georgia, so anytime something has SPF anything in it, I like to use it, like I said, with, you know, protecting my skin. And apply some on my hand. Here is the amount that I put on, and I meant to read the claims of it. Once I put it on, I can go back and tell you. Far so good. Excited because I did color match myself. It looked like it was a good match. You know, sometimes, you know, high-end foundations, especially like Tom Ford and Chanel and YSL, sometimes it's hard to you know, find our color. When I test, I know they say to test the foundation on your neck. I tested it on my hand only because I don't wear foundation on my neck, but I don't. Foundation on my hand, and like I said, it blended very well, so that's what made me purchase it. I'm gonna apply a little more under the eye area because, like I said, I suffer with the bags, and plus to cover up that orange concealer. So let me know what y'all think, because I didn't use this on my filming camera. I used this on my vlogging camera, and with my filming camera I have more lights. And when I apply foundation, I don't really like to cake my face up with foundation, so I usually like to start off light and then build it up. I did pull it up. It does have 5 stars almost on the Nordstrom website, if you can see it. Like I said, it's medium coverage and it's buildable, create a natural finish. And I do agree, because like I said, when I wore it the first time, my daughter said, "You got foundation on?" And I was like, "Yeah." I said, "It's the time for it." So I was really excited because she couldn't even tell I had foundation on. So we're going to be in the movies. We're going to be taking pictures because it's a group of us with our kids that's going, and we all got shirts. And you know, I got to get cute. The only reason why I'm doing my foundation, blogging, not sure. I'm going to use my Too Faced setting powder, and I'm going to go and set under my eye area. I don't put a lot. I just put just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so here is the setting powder. This setting powder smells so good, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on this top. I think I put a little too much. Whatever. It kind of flew in my mouth, y'all, and it tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and take my fluffy brush. My MAC. Give me a little bit of color back, because as you can see, my face was really white. So now I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown bronzer, and this is in Deep. And I usually like to start off with a little bit and build it back up. I'm gonna go in with my Time For blush. This is something I already hauled, but I haven't used it on here on this channel. And this is in the color, what color is it? 08 Disclosure. Of course, I got this from the outlet cosmetic store, and you know I didn't pay full price. So now I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my contour. Brush. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the Becca Skin Love. Spray this just to like loosen up the foundation. Y'all, this spray reminds me of the Morphe, but of course this costs way more. But yeah, it reminds me of the Morphe. And I'm only using this fan to help it dry, y'all, but it feels so good, you guys. Woo! I'm gonna go in with my Kevyn Aucoin. I'm not sure if I used this in one of my tutorials, but I'm gonna go in with the Kevyn Aucoin, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna go in with the fan brush. I just want to say hey auntie, because she always watch my videos. She even know my intros and stuff and everything like that. She set her notifications so she could be notified each week when I upload videos. So you know, you gotta make sure you know, subscribe, and also click your notification bell like my aunt do, so y'all can make sure y'all don't miss your girl. Okay, so I went in with Top Secret right here on my bottom lash, Now I'm gonna have to go back in with the mascara. So I will be back with the finished look, and once I'm back you will see what lip I choose, my hair, my everything, and also I will be showing y'all the shirt that I'm wearing. So give me a few seconds and your girl will be right back. Okay, so for the lips I'm gonna go in with the Kaija lip pencil, the neutral look, because I have the busy eye. Here is the darker side. In fact, I'm gonna use the Bite Beauty lip gloss that I got from TJ Maxx. This is in the color Caramelized. Now I'm gonna go and take my Too Faced Peach Mist, and it says Shake Me Baby, so that's what I'm going to do. This fan really helps to dry your makeup when you apply your face spray. So here is the shirt that I am wearing, the Lion King shirt. This is the eye look inspiration, saying why I wanted to create that kind of look, because like I said, this is the shirt that I was wearing. You guys, that's it. So I hope y'all enjoy this makeup tutorial, and if y'all did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.